37. How did the details in paragraph 5 about the uneven nature of the flight convey a central idea of the excerpt? Okay, so this is back to paragraph 5. And we begin the discussion of the uneven nature of the flight. It was exceedingly erratic due to the air and the lack of experience on the machine. So it turned, it went to one side, it darted up and then darted down, and eventually it darted down a little over 120 feet from the point at which it rose into the air. So actually, now we have a comparison. Although it was equivalent to 540 according to Orville, it actually was only 120 feet. Okay, but anyway, so the erratic nature of the flight. How does this have anything to do with the central idea of the passage? Let's take a look. A, by explaining how the flawed design of the machine. No, the design wasn't flawed. I mean, it was hard to control, but it flew, so it's hard to say it was flawed. A is not correct. B, by indicating that the difficulty in controlling the flight was caused by the rudimentary instruments and the inexperience of the pilot. That's true. I mean, that's factual, right? But how is that conveying a central idea of the excerpt, right? Again, that's a detail in paragraph 5. It's not a central idea. Let's keep going. By explaining how the pilot and the plane overcame adverse conditions in order to complete the first piloted flight. That's it, right? That's a central idea of the passage. These pilots, they overcame these adverse conditions, the weather, the rudimentary instruments, the darting up and down of the plane. But they did it. They completed that first flight. C is the correct answer. Note, it's not a detail, but it is a central idea of the passage and paragraph 5. D, by indicating that the gradual change in wind velocity created an extreme environment in which to maneuver the plane and maintain its flight. So, first off, there's no gradual change in the wind velocity mentioned here. Okay, it was pretty erratic. Was it perhaps an extreme environment maneuvering the flight? Yes, but again, those are details. They are not answering the question, which is how did these lines in paragraph 5 also convey a central idea of the excerpt? The correct answer for 37 is C.